Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video we're gonna show you I made Minecraft 1.64 into teardown. Just like the game. So yeah, that version. And yeah, you can see it's in teardown and play ultra about this broken. I changed it but it doesn't work. The map is in the game. Options, I didn't change that. The quick menu kind of quick, right? Works. I didn't change this. So yeah. So you can see the load screen just like the game. It's just keep that. Okay, so you can see the menu change and anything. It's just like the game. It's the sledgehammer. It's not the same. It doesn't work the same way you think. It's physics. All the things within data in the game. The blowtorch, which is oh crap! I cannot die. And a shotgun, and the blanks, which is the grenade, which is the pep bomb. So yeah. Oh crap! It's gonna it's exploding like that. Oh, it's not exploding. Weird. So yeah, see the guns. C4 bomb. Just right click.
Bomb has been planted.
You can see that exploded. Oh! Okay, I'm back. So yeah, you can see that exploded on time road. With a rocket, which is you can, and now it explodes again.